Storm warning. North-eastern Australia. Storm Kimi is approaching and will bring high winds, heavy rainfalls, and very high seas for the next 48 hours. A tropical cyclone formed off the northeastern coast of Australia on Sunday, January 17, threatening the tourist hotspots of CAIRNS and Port Douglas with destructive winds of 130 km/h. Tropical Cyclone Kimi is a Category 1 storm with sustained winds of 75 km/h and gusts up to 100 km/h, the National Bureau of Meteorology said in an update. The Bureau says Kimi could strengthen to Category 2 storm when it crosses the coast late on Monday. Kimi was likely to hit between Cooktown and Port Douglas, with gale force winds extending south of CAIRNS. Heavy rainfall is also expected in the area, with residents warned of possible flooding. Queensland Fire and Emergency Services urged people to take advantage of a limited window of opportunity to prepare emergency kits for the coming storm.